It's Tuesday, January 30th. I'm Riley.
And I'm Brady. Here's your daily bolt of information.
DV's first diversity assembly was a great way to celebrate all the differences. Now it's time to share some highlights.
Diversity on three. 1, 2, 3. Diversity!
Hope you're all making great choices for your classes next year. Last night, DV hosted Open House. We are right in the middle of registering for classes for the 2018-2019 school year. Select the courses that you need, along with any electives. Just keep in mind the priorities and goals that you have. Courses chosen during registration are considered a commitment for the student to take their selected courses the following year. Our teacher staffing is figured out during the month of April based upon student selections, so schedule change requests after registration and into next school year may not be possible. Please take careful consideration of course loads and elective choices for next year.
Rio Salado team will be on campus Wednesday, January 31st from 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. in the library to register students for dual enrollment in English, Fine Arts, and Foreign Language courses. Final deadline is February 5th, but we would like to complete registration prior to this date. If you are new to Rio Salado, please see attached flyers on the DV website, fill out and sign the financial responsibility and consent, and bring it to the library along with a copy of your birth certificate. Any questions, please call Rio Salado.
Seniors, come register for grad night. Registration is taking place during 4th and 5th hour lunch from January 29th to February 2nd in the courtyard near the cafeteria. You can register and pay online at dvgradnight.com/registration, or you can download and fill out the registration form, then pay at the registration table or drop it off in the front office. Ticket price is $90 by check or cash, or $93 by credit card or PayPal. Bonus, you will also receive 25 raffle tickets for early purchase. Make checks payable to DV Grad Night, and then put the student name in the memo area. There will be a lot of amazing prizes raffled off at the night of the party, such as flat screen TVs, Keurig coffee makers, dorm room refrigerators, Bluetooth speakers, and much more. Prepare for your future with a fantastic party following DVHS commencement on May 24th.
Desert Vista's Sadie Dance is coming up fast. The dance is featuring A Night Under the Stars on February 3rd, 2018 from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30. Tickets are $15 at the bookstore before school, during lunch, and after school. Tickets are $20 at the door. Each ticket is put into a raffle for a big prize, so don't miss out. If you wish to bring a non-DV student to the Sadie's Dance, you must complete and submit the guest pass. The guest passes are available on DV's website under DV Quick Links and must be turned to the activities office for approval by tomorrow. All dance attendees must have school ID to present at the door.
Make sure you pay attention to the AP exam timeline. February 1st is the first day to request to take AP exams on the total registration website. Pay for the AP exams in the bookstore. February 7th is the deadline for students to sign up for free and reduced lunch to ensure that they get the College Board discount on their AP exams. Students need to register every school year to qualify. February 20th is the last day to register through total registration for AP exams. February 23rd is the last day to pay for AP exam fees in the bookstore. Students must register on total registration before they pay for the exams. In April, look to get more detailed information about test day through email. Double check the email addresses you put into total registration, as lots of information will come through this. And finally, May 7th through May 18th are the AP exams.
Do you have the best teacher ever this year, or do you remember the best teacher you ever had? Then give them the recognition they deserve and nominate them for the Tempes Diablos Excellence in Education Award at their website. You or your parent can nominate them for the Class Act Award or even an Inspiration Award. The online nomination process will be open until January 26th. All award finalists and winners will be presented for the Excellence in Education Award ceremony in May.
The Phoenix Suns are looking for high school students to once again submit their nominations for the Northern Arizona University Educator of the Month Awards for the upcoming 17 through 18 season. Check the DV website for this year's flyer outlining this promotion, as well as details on how to enter by visiting suns.com/NAU-educator.
Students, we need you to vote for the new mascot this year. Go to your Canvas and under your guidance counselor, you can vote for our newest mascot.
Now, let's see what's happening in clubs with Max.
Hey DV, I'm Max, and here's what's happening in campus clubs.
Hi DV, I'm Isaac, and this is our talent show.
The Desert Vista Talent Show is tomorrow night at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are only $5, so make sure to grab a seat and take a look at some of the amazing talent here at DV. Seniors, be sure to remind your parents to submit a senior yearbook dedication ad. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. For more information, please visit theyearbookcompany.com or call 951-274-9561. Interested in a free week-long journalism training camp for high school students? It's called J-Camp. Check out this all-expenses-paid opportunity that is open to freshmen, sophomores, and juniors of all ethnicities and backgrounds. It's free to apply online by March 25th at aaja.org/jcamp2018. Relay for Life, our annual tradition in the fight against cancer, is right around the corner. We want to create a world without cancer, and we need your help. Register as a participant at relayforlife.org/Ahwatukee-Foothills-AZ. Form a team and start fundraising. Relay is at Mountain Point on March 24th and 25th. We're hosting the community's biggest slumber party, and we can't wait for you to join us. See Ms. Metzner in room C210 if you have any questions. We'll be tabling the week of February 5th, so stop by and say hello. The Desert Vista speech and debate team outlasted 55 schools from 2 states to win the Central High School tournament. The Thunder found major contributions from across the team when they needed it most. DV had breakthrough performances from junior Hunter McCormick, junior Sean Youssefali, and freshman Natalie Sanchez. The Thunder named juniors Claire Van Doren and Ethan Xai as team's MVPs for their servant leadership and as well as their positivity, persistence, and poise in the face of adversity. Here are the full results of the Central High School tournament. The Thunder will now turn their attention to national level competition. In the 2 weeks, Desert Vista's congressional debaters will attempt to earn the right to represent Arizona in the National Speech and Debate Association's National Championship Tournament, while the rest of the team prepares to travel to Harvard University to compete in the largest speech and debate tournament in the country. Don't forget, DV has lots to offer. We have dozens of clubs, organizations for you to join, so get involved. Back to you.
Thanks, Max. Now let's kick it over to Chris to see what's up in Thunder Nation.
Hey everyone, I'm Chris and here are your DV Sports updates. Congratulations to our varsity boys basketball team for defeating Gilbert High 71-65 last Friday. They are on the road tonight taking on Highland High School and play again this Friday traveling to Desert Ridge. Freshmen start at 4, JV at 5:30 and varsity at 7. On Friday, our varsity girls basketball took on Gilbert High. They fought hard but ended taking a loss of 67-43. They have 3 games this week to make up for their last 2 losses. Tonight, they face Highland in the Storm Center, and on Thursday, they host Perry on our home court. Then, to the end of the week, they take on Desert Ridge in the Storm Center this Friday. Freshmen start at 4, JV at 5:30, and varsity at 7. Varsity girls soccer competes in their first playoff game tonight at 6 p.m. in the Thunder Stadium. They take on the Gilbert Tigers, who hold a record of 11-10. Be sure to come out and support. Let's help our girls dominate playoff season. Our varsity boys soccer team competes in their first playoff game tomorrow night at 6 p.m. in the Thunder Stadium. They take on the Hamilton Huskies, who hold a record of 7-4. Be sure to come cheer on our boys as they dominate this playoff season. Our wrestling teams compete in sectionals this Saturday, February 3rd in the Storm Center. Come and support our wrestlers. The last day for boys volleyball open gym is this Friday, February 2nd in the small gym from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Attention girls softball, open fields are now in session. They are from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Please come ready to work out. Any questions, please contact Coach Crow. That's all for sports. Back to you.
That's all we have for you today, DV. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you back here on Thursday.